we find that the world's we built so high, falling solo, if we find.
Hey guys, it's me, Masuku. I am trying my best not to make terrible content now that I hit 100 subscribers now. But anyway, this video is going to be about the rap game and why you should never join the rap game. We've seen too many rappers die in 2018, this year, and potentially in 2020. You already know what happened to Lil Peep, X, Nipsey Hussle, Juice WRLD. It's just not right, man. I am going to suggest this video to kids because even the kids need to hear this. Kids, please do not become a rapper when you grow up. If you are a young rapper right now, just make an early retirement because you do not have to be a rapper. You can't risk your life out there. I am telling you this because we've seen it too many times. But anyway, that's all I got to say. Mata ne.